If you are trying to decide between Kinsta and WP Engine for your WordPress website, you are in the right place. These are two of the most popular premium managed WordPress hosting platforms available right now, and both are genuinely excellent. But they are not the same, and choosing the wrong one could mean paying hundreds of dollars more than you need to every month. In this video, I'm going to compare Kinsta and WP Engine across 5 key categories: pricing, features, performance, support, and ease of use, so that by the end you will know exactly which one is the right choice for your specific situation. We are the Techno Galaxy. Let's get straight into it. Before we get into the comparison, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms, so we are starting from the same place. Kinsta was founded in 2013 and is a premium managed WordPress hosting company built entirely on Google Cloud Platform infrastructure. Their whole pitch is speed, security, and simplicity. They host over 120,000 WordPress sites worldwide and are particularly popular with agencies, developers, and businesses that want fast, reliable hosting without managing servers themselves. WP Engine was founded in 2010, making it one of the oldest managed WordPress hosts in the market. They also run on premium cloud infrastructure and have built a massive ecosystem around WordPress, with tools like Studio Press Themes, Genesis Framework, and their own page builder integrations. WP Engine is particularly popular with enterprise businesses, digital agencies, and companies running large e-commerce stores. So at a high level, both are premium managed WordPress hosts. Both are significantly more expensive than shared hosting, and both are targeting the same type of customer, businesses and professionals who need their WordPress site to be fast, secure, and always online. The question is, which one does it better and at what price? That is exactly what we are about to find out. Let's talk about pricing, because this is often the first thing people look at when comparing hosting platforms. Starting with Kinsta. Kinsta's entry-level plan starts at $35 per month and includes hosting for one WordPress site, 35,000 monthly visitors, 10 gigabytes of storage, and access to their premium Google Cloud infrastructure. Their mid-tier plans scale up from $70 to $450 per month, covering 2 to 40 WordPress sites with higher visitor limits. And their higher-tier plans start from $340 per month for agencies. Now, WP Engine. WP Engine's entry-level startup plan also starts at $35 per month and includes one WordPress site, 25,000 monthly visits, and 10 gigabytes of storage. Their professional plan is $65 per month, covering up to 3 sites, and their growth plan is $130 per month, with support for up to 10 sites. And then there is the scale plan, which is $330 per month for up to 30 sites. And like you can see here, WP Engine also has these higher-tier enterprise and business plans, which start from $400 per month. Now, here is the important thing to note about pricing. Both platforms frequently run promotional discounts, sometimes up to 20% off for annual billing. Always check their current pricing page for the latest deals, as these numbers may have changed since I recorded this video. I will put links to both pricing pages in the description below. So, as you can see, both WP Engine and Kinsta start at $35. However, Kinsta offers more sites at higher tiers. For agencies, also, Kinsta can be more cost-effective. Now let's compare the features. This is where the real differences between Kinsta and WP Engine start to show up. Category 1, infrastructure and speed. Both Kinsta and WP Engine use premium cloud infrastructure. Kinsta runs exclusively on Google Cloud Platform, with their servers available in 37 data center locations worldwide. WP Engine uses a combination of Google Cloud and AWS, depending on your plan and location. Both are fast, but Kinsta's exclusive Google Cloud focus gives them a slight edge in consistency of performance. Category 2, security features. Both platforms take security very seriously. Kinsta includes free SSL certificates, DDoS protection, hardware firewalls, uptime monitoring, and daily backups. They also offer a hack fix guarantee. If your site gets hacked on Kinsta, they will fix it for free. WP Engine also includes free SSL, daily backups, malware scanning, their own proprietary Evercache technology for performance security, and a global CDN powered by Cloudflare. WP Engine also offers a hack fix guarantee on all plans. Both platforms offer excellent and nearly identical security features. Neither has a clear advantage here. Category 3, staging environment. A staging environment lets you test changes to your website before pushing them live, essential for any serious business website. Kinsta includes a free one-click staging environment on all plans. You can push changes from staging to live with a single click. WP Engine also includes staging on all plans and actually goes further. Their higher tier plans include multiple staging environments and partial push functionality, which lets you push only specific files or database tables to live. WP Engine's multiple staging environments and partial push give it an advantage for developers and agencies. Category 4, developer tools. If you are a developer or working with developers, the developer tools available matter a lot. Kinsta offers SSH access, WP CLI, Git integration, and a built-in application performance monitoring tool called APM, which is included free on all plans. This is a significant advantage. APM tools typically cost extra on other platforms. WP Engine offers SSH access, WP CLI, Git integration, and a local development tool called Local by Flywheel, which is one of the best local WordPress development environments available anywhere. Kinsta wins on APM tools. WP Engine wins on local development. Depends on your specific workflow. Category 5, ease of use. This one matters a lot if you are not a developer and just need reliable hosting without complexity. Kinsta's dashboard, called My Kinsta, is widely regarded as one of the cleanest and most intuitive hosting dashboards available anywhere. Everything is laid out logically, and you can manage everything from one screen. WP Engine's dashboard has improved significantly over the years, but it still feels slightly more complex than My Kinsta. However, WP Engine compensates with their extensive documentation, video tutorials, and onboarding support. Kinsta's My Kinsta dashboard is cleaner and more intuitive, particularly for non-developers. Performance is probably the most important factor when choosing a managed WordPress host. After all, a slow website costs you customers and rankings. Both Kinsta and WP Engine are fast, genuinely fast. You're not comparing a premium host to a budget host here. Both will significantly outperform shared hosting. In independent performance tests published by hosting review sites throughout 2025 and 2026, Kinsta and WP Engine consistently score within milliseconds of each other on time-to-first metric measurements. However, Kinsta has a slight consistent edge in most tests, and this is largely because of their C3D machines powered by AMD EPYC processors on Google Cloud, which are among the most powerful server configurations available in managed WordPress hosting right now. On uptime, both platforms guarantee 99.9% uptime, and both deliver on that promise in practice. Downtime on either platform is extremely rare. The honest answer on performance is this: both are excellent, and the difference is marginal for most websites. You will not notice the difference on a standard business website. Where Kinsta's edge matters is for high traffic sites getting 100,000 plus monthly visitors, where every millisecond counts. When something goes wrong with your website, and eventually something always does, the quality of customer support becomes everything. Kinsta offers 24/7 live chat support on all plans. Their support team is made up of WordPress developers, not general support agents, which means they actually understand your problem and can fix it quickly. Average response time on live chat is typically under 2 minutes. Phone support is not available on Kinsta. WP Engine also offers 24/7 live chat support on all plans. Their support team is also technically strong, and they have one of the largest WordPress support knowledge bases in the industry. WP Engine also offers phone support on their higher tier plans, which is a significant advantage for enterprise customers. Both platforms have excellent support reputations. In customer satisfaction surveys, both consistently score above 95% customer satisfaction for support interactions. WP Engine's phone support on higher plans and dedicated account managers for enterprise give it an edge for larger businesses. Now, let me be completely honest about the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms, starting with Kinsta. What I love about Kinsta: the My Kinsta dashboard is genuinely the cleanest hosting interface I have ever used. Managing sites is a pleasure. The free APM tool is exceptional value. Most hosts charge extra for application performance monitoring. Kinsta includes it free on every plan. Their infrastructure is top tier. Google Cloud exclusively, 37 locations, cutting-edge hardware. What I do not love about Kinsta: the pricing is on the higher end. At $35 per month for one site, it is not cheap for someone just starting out. There is no email hosting. Kinsta does not provide email hosting at all. You will need a separate service like Google Workspace. Phone support is not available. For non-technical users who prefer talking to someone, live chat only can be frustrating. Now, WP Engine. What I love about WP Engine: first, the ecosystem around WordPress is unmatched. StudioPress themes, Genesis framework, Local by Flywheel, and premium plugin integrations, everything just works together. The multiple staging environments on higher plans are genuinely useful for agencies managing multiple client sites. Their phone support on higher plans is a real advantage for enterprise customers who need priority assistance. What I do not love about WP Engine: first, the dashboard is more complex than Kinsta. For non-developers, it has a steeper learning curve. Their entry-level plan feels more restricted. Some developer features are locked to higher tier plans. And their pricing for agencies can add up quickly compared to Kinsta's multi-site plans. So, who should choose Kinsta and who should choose WP Engine? Let me break this down by specific scenarios. Choose Kinsta if you run a small to medium business website and want the cleanest, easiest hosting experience possible. You are a developer or freelancer who wants powerful tools like APM and Git in a clean interface. You run a high-traffic website that needs the fastest possible infrastructure. You manage multiple sites and want to keep everything in one beautiful dashboard without complexity. You prioritize speed and performance above all else. Choose WP Engine if you run an agency with multiple developers who need multiple staging environments and partial push. You are building on the Genesis framework or using StudioPress themes. WP Engine owns both, and the integration is seamless. You are an enterprise business that needs phone support and dedicated account management. You use Local by Flywheel for local development and want your local and live environments to integrate perfectly. You need the most comprehensive WordPress ecosystem with premium plugins, themes, and tools all in one place. So which one wins, Kinsta or WP Engine? My honest answer is this. For most individual website owners, small businesses, and freelancers, Kinsta is the better choice. The dashboard is cleaner, the infrastructure is slightly faster, and the APM tool included free is exceptional value. For digital agencies, enterprise businesses, and developers working heavily in the WordPress ecosystem, WP Engine is the better choice. The multiple staging environments, phone support, and the Genesis and StudioPress integration make it the more powerful platform for complex operations. The good news is you can try both before committing. I have put links to both platforms in the description below. Kinsta offers a free trial, so you can test their dashboard and infrastructure completely risk-free. WP Engine offers a money-back guarantee, so you can also try them without financial risk. Click whichever link matches your situation, try it out, and see for yourself which one feels right for how you work. If you found this comparison helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel grow and allows me to keep making honest, detailed comparisons like this one. If you have any questions about either platform, drop them in the comments below and I will answer every single one. And if you want to see more hosting and software comparisons, subscribe to the Techno Galaxy so you never miss a video. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next one.